Marmora, Ontario. Knee deep in the snow, as you can see. About to head out here to the lake. So I'll walk some snow and see how deep this ice is. We are here out in Marmora, Ontario, and I'm going to do a little bit of ice fishing. We are quite literally about 40 minutes into the bush. From what I've been told, not a lot of people go out here ice fishing. I did hear there's perch. So we are on our way to the bait shop right now to get some live bait for the perch and pickerel. It's just beautiful, like I love it out here. We're here at the bait shop. Just made it. Looks like it's still open. So we're gonna go in there and give it a look. It's the bait shop. Alright, let's go check this in. So we are here at Chris's live bait fishing and hunting. So we're gonna pick up some bait and hopefully catch some. Alright guys, so we got our minnows, as you can see there, and he also grabbed a couple goodies, so we'll show that. Just like, you know, jigs, you know, stuff like that. So we're almost back to the house there. I'm real eager to get on the ice. Like I went out the other day, didn't really catch anything, but now we're out here in the middle of nowhere, and from what I was told, not a lot of people fish this spot. So, you know, if there's any perch or some walleye, we have a good potential of catching them. I got some live bait, I got some plastic bait, I got a bit of everything. So we're gonna set tip up with the live bait, and then I will just be jigging with my rod, and hopefully we catch some fish. We'll come back once we're on the ice, guys. We are back to the base. This is where we're gonna be for the weekend. Fishing spot's just way down there. So we're gonna get rigged up and let's catch some fish, guys. All right, guys, so it's time to drill the first hole. Yeah, she is deep. Oh yeah, guys, she is deep here. Woo. Hey guys, here we are. We're all rigged up. I got the minnow on one rod, and then I got the jig on the other one. We're here for the afternoon bite. Like I said, I heard there's jumbo perch in here, big pickerel, so I'm gonna give her a shot. Hopefully we catch some fish today, guys. Nothing beats breakfast. Oh yeah, I hit the spot. Well, we've been here for about 3 hours. I'm not getting any bites on the minnow or my jig. I might have to try a different location tomorrow, maybe down there. Or down there. But we're gonna keep trying, and as soon as we catch a fish, we'll be back with you guys. Alright guys, here we are, day 2. We got a line set up over there. We got a tip up here. Got another line set right there. This is starting to go down. No, it's just the wind. Got me happy there for a second. I thought we were about to catch a big one. Okay, well. Anyways, the tip up straight here. And then I'm gonna start jigging over there. Going at about half an hour now. Haven't got any bites. Minnows are still on, so nothing's stealing the baits at least. So we'll get back to you guys in a few. So we got a line set up over there. We got tip up. Got the girlfriend with another rod over there. And we got me jigging over here. I'm gonna give her a try again today, and hopefully we'll catch something.